Good afternoon and welcome to another weekly ROFFS Gulf of Mexico ocean conditions update for the week of July 5th, 2023. We hope everyone had a safe and healthy 4th of July. Hopefully, everybody got a little time to relax and had a couple days off. We are back at it working, looking at the ocean again, and we're going to jump right into it. Starting off here in the east, to the southeast of the Mississippi River Delta, we're continuing to see the dark blue clockwise circulation of the loop current water come up and in towards the area southeast of the dump site, approaching the Atwater Valley to the southwest of Lloyd's Ridge. This feature has been in there for quite some time. It had been pushing northward closer to the Mississippi River Delta, but now you have a rather large counterclockwise rotating eddy in here out towards Green Canyon that's sort of helping the loop current stay to the east and the southeast, but on the other hand, it is pushing really nice, cleaner blue water with loop current origins up inshore Green Canyon, inshore the dump site, to the east of Mississippi Canyon, all the way up here over the Chandeleur Valley, the Gulfport Valley, Redfish Valley. Now it's approaching the Dorsey Sounder Canyon and the Tuna Mountain 960 Hill, back off to the southeast towards the Atwater Valley. And you could see there is green water coming out of the delta. Some of this green water is coming up out along the northeastern edge of the loop current all the way down around a large counterclockwise rotating eddy out here west of the steps, with some of that green to blue-green water coming out of the delta, making its way all the way down here to the area now to the south of the Florida Keys, which is pretty crazy. Further to the east off of Tampa, got nice clean blue water all the way in as far in as 20 fathoms right off the west coast of Florida. Some of this water closer inshore is blue-green to green over 10-20 fathoms, moving generally to the east southeast. You do have an abundance of blue water out towards the steps, out towards the box, seeming to get pulled around this large counterclockwise circulation here south of Lloyd's Ridge, in over Lloyd's Ridge, and then being helped southwest of the Double Nipple, south of DeSoto Canyon, around a clockwise rotating eddy south of the DeSoto Canyon, and also up in here west of the Florida Middle Grounds, south of Cape San Blas, towards the Pensacola South NOAA buoy. You have a nice clean blue water making its way around this counterclockwise rotating eddy. Now, because you have these eddies here, you have a lot of interaction going on with the loop current in this eddy to the west, pulling this green water out. You have this counterclockwise eddy down here south of Lloyd's Ridge. Everything to the east is sort of sliding down further south along with this large counterclockwise rotating eddy. So these two pockets of blue water south of Cape San Blas and south of DeSoto Canyon had been up in here towards the Steps region, the Spur, Unexploded Ordnance, and then over here towards the Swiggles and those areas off of Cape San Blas. But you know, you have a general eastward to southeastward motion of the green to cleaner green to blue-green water offshore Mobile and Pensacola and southwest of Cape San Blas. And even though there is greener water in here now towards the nipple, the elbow, Unexploded Ordnance, and over here towards the Squiggles, there are still some good edges in there, temperature and color-wise, that will provide some action for fishing. Best conditions to the east look south of DeSoto Canyon, over the ledges west of Florida Middle Grounds towards the Pensacola South Noah buoy southwest of Cape San Blas, or further westward at Water Valley up towards Tuna Mountain 960 Hill, and along the edges here south of Mississippi River Delta southwest towards the Green Canyon along the strong blue, clean green to blue green to darker blue edges associated with the loop current water. To the west, we do have a pocket of cleaner blue water here that's being circulated counterclockwise due to this large eddy here that's getting pulled in towards the Gunnison rig over towards the Flower Gardens areas. Further west offshore Texas, offshore Corpus Christi, Freeport, and Aransas, you have an abundance of blue water as well. You have a large clockwise rotating eddy centered offshore here. It is helping this cleaner water come in up over the ledges towards the area east of Texas Canyon, east of Colt 45, east of the dump site, all the way up towards East Breaks, with some of that cleaner blue water making its way west to East Breaks and over 20 to 30 fathoms in towards Aransas Bank, Hospital Rock, and those areas. And conditions look really good offshore Texas as well. That being said, please remember to order online, www.roffs.com, 24 hours a day. You could always call the office, 321-723-5759 to place your orders during regular business hours, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., Saturday 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And don't forget, for recent reports and ocean conditions updates, you can follow us on our social media channels on Facebook and Instagram at ROFFS Fishing. That's about it for this week. There's a lot of good conditions out there. You can see it pretty clearly in this updated ocean color image from this past Monday, Tuesday. We'll come at you again in about a week and a half, and tight lines and good fishing. Thank you.